Hi everyone, it's Alysa. Today's video we're going to go ahead and get started on showing you guys how to make an easy DIY tube top dress. So the first thing you want to do is lay out the fabric you're using. I got this from Goodwill. It was only $5.99 and it's just a long gray dress. What you also want to do is grab a type of template. I'm using a dress that I thrifted that fits me really well. It's just a tubed dress already in black, and I'm going to use this as my layout. So what you want to first do is trace out the dress pattern on the piece of fabric. And I think it's better to definitely thrift items like fabrics and just repurpose them instead of going out and buying fabric, just because it's definitely a lot cheaper. So what I did was I turned the dress inside out and laid the overlay pattern that we're using, which is the dress, and used any type of marker. I'm just using this marker. You could use fabric marker just to kind of trace out the dress. I wouldn't use a Sharpie because then it will be permanent, and then honestly it will definitely bleed. And then what you want to do is take some pins and just pin all around the dress on the fabric. So when we cut it out, all the pieces will lay exactly how we want them to be. I definitely recommend to choose a fabric that's definitely stretchy. The one I have, it looks stretchy, but it's not fully cotton. I would have definitely went more of that type of material, because then putting it on, it would hug the body a lot more better. As a template, you can use a tank top, another dress, or you could even measure it out and make your own and lay it out on the fabric. There's so many ways you could go about it, but I definitely went a little bit easier with getting a dress that fits me perfectly and using that as my template. So as you can see, I am just still pinning it all around the dress from top to bottom and all around. Then what you want to do is cut out the fabric. You definitely want to leave like maybe an inch or two seam, just in case you need to make any adjustments. And you can definitely try it on to see how it fits. So once you have the dress cut out, since it's already inside out, go ahead and stitch the side seams together. I just used a straight stitch. I wanted to add an elastic, so what I did was measured out an elastic band on my chest and laid it on top of the fabric. Once I did that, I went in with a straight stitch while pulling the elastic very slightly to give it a little bit of resistance, so when I put it on, it kind of hugs onto my chest instead of falling straight down. So once you make one stitch all across with the elastic band, fold the elastic band hiding into the fabric, and then do another straight stitch to hide the elastic band. And then lastly, all you want to do is try on the dress and see about the length. You want to measure out how much fabric you want to cut off or to sew to see how long you want the dress. I wanted mine to be a little bit over the knee, and all I did was created a straight stitch all around to cover up the raw hem. And there you guys have it, a super easy tube top dress. I love this dress so much. I think it hugs the body so well and it looks so great on, and it was super easy to make. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY project. Leave a like if you guys did, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys enjoy my videos. I love you guys all so much, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!